What's up, guys? Welcome to another video on my channel. Okay, so this is part 3 of the paper planes, and we'll be making a kind of twisty, curvy paper plane. It twists when it goes, but okay, let's get into the video. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to fold it like this. So fold it this edge to that edge. And you want to crease it really nicely. And then you want to fold this to the edge. Then you want to do the same to the other side. Yours should look something like this. Then what you want to do is you want to fold this edge to the curved line, to the middle, the middle crease, just like we did with the little flaps. Do the same to the other side, and make sure that the nose is even. Okay, then just go back and crease it. Okay, now what you want to do is you want to fold it, make sure it's even, and if you need to, just recrease the top. And then, okay, so what you want to do is you want to fold the wing over, fold the wing down to this line, okay, crease the nose, there we go. Okay, do the same to the other side. And now there's a twist to this plane, so that's the normal basic plane that we've done. There's a twist to this plane. So what you want to do is you can use scissors, but I prefer to rip it. So, and then put it down like that, and then do the same to the other side, except this time you want to put the curve up, the swing up. Just crease that just a little bit, and then fold one's up and one's down, and then that's how you make it. So it twists, it twirls. It's actually pretty cool. Okay,